Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So with that being said, what can cause AC air conditioner not to work, guys? Okay, let's talk about that now. So, how the AC system works. AC system, you have a condenser, okay, that cools on the front. That's the condenser. Then you have freon in the system, okay. You will have certain pressure in the system. You have a compressor that compresses that freon, produces cold practically. The heat comes to the front, the cold goes in the dash. And you will have a switch to turn the AC compressor on and off. You have a clutch that will engage the compressor, and you have an AC pressure switch that will detect how much pressure you have in the system. Our AC compressor is all the way on the back side, almost not visible. That's the compressor right here, okay, that's the clutch, okay. It will engage to the pulley will engage the compressor, and it will start working once you turn it on. So, bad AC clutch will be one thing that can easily cause the AC not to work. Number two, having a freon leak. Freon leak can be caused by leaking gasket, seal, or broken hose. Now we have the system connected. If the engine is running and the AC is on, if you have good pressure, okay, it means that actually it's not the freon. If it's in the low, it means you need to add freon, and we'll have a special video that will explain how to recharge freon. Number three, it could be a bad AC pressure switch. The purpose of the AC pressure switch is to detect how much pressure you have in the AC system, so actually the engine computer will determine if it's safe to turn the compressor on, to engage the clutch. And if that AC pressure switch does not work, actually your AC air conditioner will not work as well. Next, it could be, guys, okay, weak or worn AC compressor, air conditioner compressor that cannot produce enough pressure. And another thing could be bad radiator fan. If the radiator fan does not work, the engine computer will actually turn the air conditioner off, so the car, okay, have a smaller chance to overheat. That's a safety feature. Next, guys, okay, the fan may not be working because of a bad radiator fan, bad fuse, radiator fuse, and bad radiator relay. If you want to see how to test radiator fan on Fiat or Alfa Romeo, guys, we have the video on the channel that will teach you how to do that without removing it. After that, check the fuse and the relay for the air conditioner, okay, for the AC clutch, and test the AC clutch. We will have a video how to test AC clutch on Fiat, Alfa Romeo, and we'll have a video how to test AC pressure switch on Fiat and Alfa Romeo as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.